A fake apology can feel manipulative, it can feel insincere, and many people struggle with offering what is known as a true apology. They get defensive when you tell them that your feelings are hurt. They might deny that they have any responsibility. They play the victim, they make excuses, they shift the blame onto somebody else. So, in today's video, you're going to learn 5 signs that can help you spot an insincere apology and how to apologize in a way that actually works, that is sincere, and that repairs a relationship. Here are 5 signs of a fake apology. Sign number 1: when somebody says, "I'm sorry, but." If an apology is followed by the word but, it is insincere. Even though that person says they're sorry, they're not really apologizing. What they're really saying is, "I'm the victim here, not you. I'm hurting too, and my feelings matter more than yours." They may not realize it, but that's what they're saying. Number 2, "I'm sorry you felt that way." If someone says, "I'm sorry you felt that way," what they're really saying is, it wasn't their intention to hurt you, you just took it the wrong way. Again, it's your problem, so there's no need for them to take responsibility for what they said or they did to hurt your feelings or cause any harm. Number 3, "I'm sorry, but you're just too sensitive." If you've ever been told you're too sensitive when somebody hurt your feelings, you know how frustrating that kind of fake apology is. By saying things like, "You just don't know how to take a joke," or "You get hurt too easily," what they're actually doing is, again, shifting the blame onto you. These people lack the empathy to see what they did was wrong, so you're the one who's at fault for being too sensitive. Number 4, "I'm sorry you feel that way, but." When somebody says, "I'm sorry you feel upset, but it's not my fault you feel that way," it's not an apology, it's an excuse. They're not apologizing, they're defending themselves, and they are invalidating your feelings. Number 5, "I'm sorry, but I only did it because of you." When somebody says, "I only did it because you made me do it," they're not apologizing, they're blaming. They're saying, I'm not usually like this. I did it because of you." A good example of this is, "I only cheated because you didn't give me enough attention." If anyone has ever been cheated on, you know that this is one of the biggest and lamest excuses. They are not taking responsibility for their choices, which is why it's a fake apology. Let's talk about sincere apologies. How do you apologize sincerely? Start by listening. Listen to them, validate their feelings, say you're sorry, and acknowledge your part. Explain your side of the story, but don't get defensive. Then ask for their forgiveness. Tell them how you're going to try and make it up to them and what you'll do differently next time. If the other person sees how sincere you are and they feel that they can trust you again, they will be able to move past what happened. They'll be able to forgive you and you'll be able to repair the relationship. Apologies are a form of boundaries. So if you want to improve your boundaries, but you're not sure where to begin, register now for the 5-day Healthy Boundary Summit. It's free. It runs from January 9th to the 13th, and it's filled with tons of valuable information on how to create the most important boundaries of your life. I hope to see you there.